Hello everyone. In this video, we'll learn how to build a lead generation automation using n8n and MAIA Router, with data coming from a tally form and the final results automatically stored in Google Sheets. This workflow also includes AI analysis to help your sales team follow up more quickly and accurately. Let's start by understanding how the automation flow works. When someone submits a tally form, the webhook receives the data from the form. Then, a JavaScript node processes the payload and flattens it into a structured JSON format. The respond to webhook node then sends the processed data back to the sender. Next, n8n calls the MAIA router to analyze the message content or the lead's interest. The analysis results are saved to Google Sheets, which will later be used as the basis for follow-up actions. For the first step, let's create an API key in MAIA Router. We'll need it later in the workflow. Next, in the n8n dashboard, create a new workflow and give it a name. Next, we'll start by adding a webhook node. In the configuration, set the method to post. You can rename the path, for example, name it lead MAIA. Set authorization to none, and for response, choose using respond to webhook. Copy the webhook URL, then open your tally form and paste it under the integration section. For the second step, add a code node to use as a JavaScript function. This will extract and normalize the form data from tally so it can be used in the next steps. For the third step, add a respond to webhook node. This node receives the form data, extracts it, and returns it as a structured JSON response. You can customize the response body format to match your form fields. For the fourth step, add an HTTP request node for the AI analysis. Set the method to post and use the MAIA Router endpoint, which you can find in your MAIA Router dashboard. For authentication, select generic credential type, then choose bearer auth and create a new credential using your MAIA Router token. Change the body content type to raw and select application JSON. In the body section, add a JSON structure that includes your form data. Here, we'll use a model such as Gemini 2.5 Flash for fast and accurate analysis. For the fifth step, add another code node. This script ensures that the output from MAIA Router is a valid JSON before sending it to Google Sheets or an app script. Finally, add one more HTTP request node. This one will point to your Google Apps Script endpoint to send the data to Google Sheets. To get the URL, open your Google Sheet, go to Extensions App Script, replace the spreadsheet ID with your own sheet ID, and deploy it as a web app. Once deployed, copy the URL and paste it into the n8n node. In the body, combine the outputs from both the tally form and MAIA Router nodes into a single JSON payload, ready to be sent to your Google Apps Script endpoint. Lastly, to make sure everything works properly, execute the workflow. If it runs successfully, your automation is now ready to use. Let's test it by submitting the form. Once the data is sent, your Google Sheet will automatically update, complete with the AI analysis for sales follow-up. Don't forget to activate your workflow in n8n so it runs automatically every time a new submission comes in. If you'd like to expand the flow, you can also add notification steps to Telegram, Slack, or your CRM system depending on your business needs. Good luck and happy automating!